Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change your text to the bold so which look super. If you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe right below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the bold text effect in WPS Office Writer, I just going to show in this short video. So if you need to have an important thing, so you can just mention it on the bold text so it will look definitely as important. So for an example, I just going to select this bold effect, so you can see the pop-up here, or you can find the option here also, and the shortcut key was Ctrl plus B, which make it as bold. So now you can see it has been bolded. So you can have an extra color, you can just choose that color so it will be look bold and also the colorful, which is shows it's an important key points. And you can also turn it off by using, if you don't want the boldness, you just turn it off, just click in it. So you can just turn on or turn off the boldness whenever you want. So if you need to turn on the boldness for every sentence and paragraph, you just click this or use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl plus B, which is so useful. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.